Nigeria export to Ghana is also very huge. Nigeria export to Ghana is also very huge. In fact, Nigeria export to Ghana is as huge as $81 million. Nigeria export to Ghana is as huge as 81 million. That's one of the You're welcome to another edition of DBA TV sharing trade information. And in the previous episode, we've been talking about what does Nigeria have to export to the world, or what does Nigeria export? And I'm talking about what Nigeria currently exports, or at least export in the last 1 year. And the reason is because it gives you an idea of what you can export. So if you're thinking, I have a friend, no, I have always advocated that if you want to export, you should be exporting to a country where you have a representative. Now, if you have a representative today in Ghana, in Germany, in a number of other countries that I will be mentioning later on, then this video is for you. Now, the idea is you don't need to be the producer of what you're exporting. If Nigeria is exporting to a product produced in Nigeria to that destination, that means it's acceptable. That means we can meet up with their quality. That means it's a market you can also consider because there is a demand in that market. That means you can work with your own representative in that market to also work with them to do the same business. So today I will start by discussing Germany. Nigeria export to Germany is over $100 million. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Cow horns, processed natural rubber, sesame seed, raw cocoa beans, processed cocoa butter, dry split ginger, processed hibiscus sifting, and hibiscus flour, polished cow bones and cow horns, polyester stable fiber, pet flakes, pet bottles, plastic bottle, pet flakes, organic dry ginger, Nigerian sesame seed, raw cocoa beans, processed rubber crumb, premium high quality sesame seed. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Whole sesame seed, hibiscus flour, gum arabic, grade 2, gum arabic, dry split ginger, dark alkalized cocoa liquor, dark alkalized cocoa cake. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Cocoa butter, cashew kernel, not cashew nut, cashew kernel, alkalized cocoa butter, cocoa cake, sesame seed. I've mentioned gum arabic. I've talked about pet bottles, industrial minerals, kunzite, Fespa, whole sesame seed, good fermented cocoa beans, exhaust fiber, foodstuff, and malt drink. Dudu Osun black soap. Crushed cow bone, crushed cow hoof, crushed cow bone, crushed cow hoof. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Copper waste, cocoa butter, cocoa beans. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Aluminium ingots, chili pepper. Let's talk about Ghana. Ghana is another good market for Nigerian products. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Let's check out what Nigeria export to Ghana. Nigeria export to Ghana is also very huge. In fact, Nigeria export to Ghana is as huge as $81 million. Nigeria export to Ghana is as huge as 81 million. That's one of the major markets of Nigeria in West Africa. $81 million. That's the size of Nigeria export to Ghana. So the question is, what exactly does Nigeria export to Ghana? Are you thinking of export to Ghana? Wire rod, wheat milk drink, Malta Guinness, canned Coke, Viju milk. Ah, that's a very popular drink. Viju milk, Camel antiseptic liquid, different kind of spices, different kind of detergent, Omo detergent, Raid insect killer, area detergent. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Dettol soap, drink and beverages, snacks, Indomie noodles, Harpic. You see that Drummer Airwick, that air freshener, Drummer Airwick, air product, Dettol soap, Dettol product, Dettol liquid, Dabo Aba toothpaste. Ariel. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Uncoated paperboard. Top Bond. You see that white super glue? Top Bond white glue. Tom. Tissue paper. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? TCB Air Food, anti-dandruff air treatment. 3 Crown powdered milk. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? 3 Crown powdered milk. Soft drink. Spin-off ice metal crown cork. Seasoning. Onion seasoning of Maggi. Seasoning. Pepper seasoning. Onion seasoning. Different. Rotma cigarette. Different kind of Rotma cigarette. Rub ointment and inhaler. Powder detergent. So clean. Printed cement sack. So clean. Polyester. Yogurt. Peak yogurt. Peak powdered choco. Peak yogurt. Peak film evaporated milk. ORS. CNC relaxer. Paul Moore cigarette. Omo powder, detergent, oats and milk biscuit, palm oil, Nutzy peanut butter, noodles, chicken flavor, supreme chicken flavor, non-alcoholic drinks, Nivea deodorant. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Nivea deodorant. Mimi Chin Chin. Morning Fresh. Motor spare part for motorcycle. Cosmetics. Menthol chewing gum. Aboniki balm. Nescafe. Curry. Menthol mint and fruit. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Malt drink, Maggi chicken, Maggi chicken. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Luna powder, London KS cigarette, lubricant. What does Nigeria export to Germany? Laminate hot chocolate 3-in-1. What does Nigeria export to Ghana? Sorry, not Germany, Ghana. Indomie instant noodles. I'm still wondering why, because I think there's a factory producing this in Ghana. Indomie instant noodles, regular household item. Honey beans, air product, air attachment, Gulda, beer, Gibson powder, air attachment, generic bottles, galvanized square rectangular pipe, full cream unsweetened evaporated peak milk, empty glass bottles, so many different types, empty black glass bottle, various kind of foodstuffs, 62.5 cl empty bottle, 500 cl empty bottle, 500 ml empty bottle, 375 ml empty bottles, different color, different sizes. Dettol soap, different kind of cosmetics, CO2 gas, cheese ball, chewing gum, Aboniki band, Camel soap, Camel antiseptic liquid, calcium carbonate, Biloxi biscuit, cream cracker, Biloxi cracker biscuit, bedroom slippers, assorted drinks, cornflakes, Lipton, Ariel detergent, Airwick, and Happy gel. Airwick and Happy gel. Can you see the long list of Nigeria export to Ghana? Now, remember the goal is to give you information. You are thinking, okay, what can I export to Ghana? Come to DBA TV. What can I export to Germany? Come to DBA TV. What can I export? Wherever you want to export to, come to this channel. And you will get all the information you need as far as this shipment to different countries from Nigeria is concerned. If this video has been of benefit to you, you have learned one or two things that will help you and help your business. You are thinking of going to export, now you know what you can ship to different countries, then like the video. Share with your friend looking for market for his product. Remember to click on notification bell so you know when you upload different videos. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Medela Imibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you very much.